Hello, we are Jara and Finn, and today we are going to do the Acatenango hike with Guat2do. After we got picked up at our hotel, they gave us the equipment we needed, and then we started the hike. On our way we had a delicious lunch and many beautiful views. When we reached the base camp, we prepared our cabins where we slept and had some hot chocolate and pasta. Meanwhile, we watched and listened to the eruptions of the fuegovolcano. Just wow, a bucket list moment came true for us. After a few hours of sleep, we were woken up for the hike to the top of the Acatenango. It was still dark, but once we got to the top, it was worth it the effort. After a short warm-up, we went back to the base camp for a delicious breakfast. It was such a nice experience, and we would definitely recommend it to all of you.